Hello, fabulous viewers. Welcome back to Tech Uni, and today we've got a mammoth of a topic, exploring the multitude of ways you can make money from Amazon right here in the United States. If you're ready to unlock the full potential of the world's largest online retailer, smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's embark on this extensive journey into the diverse methods to earn money on Amazon. 1. Selling physical products on Amazon. Let's start at the very beginning, selling physical products on Amazon. We're going beyond the basics here. We'll delve into advanced product research techniques, discussing tools like Helium-10 and AMZ Scout. We'll also talk about sourcing strategies, from finding local suppliers to exploring international manufacturers. And let's not forget the art of differentiation, how to create unique product listings that stand out in the crowded marketplace. Stay tuned for pro tips on leveraging Amazon PPC campaigns to boost your product's visibility. 2. Fulfillment by Amazon, FBA. Now, let's talk fulfillment by Amazon, or FBA. We'll go beyond the surface and explore how to optimize your FBA experience. From strategic inventory management to navigating the often confusing world of Amazon fees, we've got it covered. Ever wondered about multi-channel fulfillment or creating bundles for increased sales? Stick around as we uncover the advanced tactics that seasoned sellers use to maximize their FBA potential. 3. Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP. Calling all aspiring authors and publishers. Kindle Direct Publishing is a treasure trove, and we're diving deep. We'll discuss how to choose a profitable niche, conduct keyword research, and optimize your book for maximum visibility. But it doesn't stop there. Let's explore the world of paperback publishing and audiobooks. And for those who dream of a thriving author brand, we'll cover building an author platform and marketing strategies that go beyond the basics. 4. Amazon Associates, Affiliate Marketing. Affiliate marketing on Amazon is an art, and we're about to master it. Beyond the standard product linking, we'll discuss advanced strategies like creating niche-specific websites, utilizing comparison charts, and incorporating storytelling into your affiliate content. We'll also explore how to leverage social media, email marketing, and other channels to boost your affiliate income. It's not just about links, it's about creating a genuine connection with your audience. 5. Merch by Amazon. Now, let's dive into the creative realm of merch by Amazon. We're going beyond design basics. We'll discuss how to conduct market research for trending designs, explore niche-specific strategies, and create a brand identity that resonates with your audience. Discover the power of social media promotion, building a fan base, and scaling your merch by Amazon business beyond just t-shirts. It's time to turn your creativity into a thriving business venture. 6. Amazon Handmade. Calling all artisans and crafters. Amazon Handmade is a haven, and we're going to master it. Let's discuss the process of setting up shop, optimizing product listings for maximum discoverability, and creating a unique brand story. We'll explore the advantages of participating in Amazon Handmade events, building customer relationships, and leveraging the handmade community. It's not just about selling, it's about crafting a meaningful brand presence. 7. Amazon Influencer Program. Have you ever dreamed of being an influencer? Amazon's Influencer Program is your ticket to influence and income, and we're taking it to the next level. We'll explore advanced strategies for creating engaging content, expanding your influence across multiple platforms, and collaborating with brands beyond Amazon. Dive into the analytics side of influencer marketing and discover how to build a sustainable career in the world of Amazon influencers. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to the myriad ways to earn money from Amazon in the United States. Whether you're selling physical products, publishing books, creating affiliate content, or unleashing your creativity on merch by Amazon and Amazon Handmade, the opportunities are vast. If you found this extensive guide valuable, show some love by hitting that like button, subscribe for even more in-depth content, and drop a comment sharing your thoughts or any advanced strategies you've discovered. Share this video with fellow hustlers, and let's empower each other to reach new heights. Stay ambitious, stay curious, and keep exploring those limitless opportunities on Amazon.